This is the entry handle, front entry handle. And I got this because we have got in the key part. You see this part? We got in that part, and we still have the old handle. It's an old gold handle, so we decided to go ahead and change it. I got one from Amazon, and the one from Amazon didn't have the adjustable pin for it, so the pin was short. And then here, this shows you a combination of things you can do. All right, so this one, all right, the one on Amazon is a little bit cheaper than these, but if this, for me, the ones on Amazon didn't have adjustable, so I'd rather just go ahead. Most of the ones I got on Amazon was too small, so, and the description never had the measurements from the top part of the handle to the middle part of the, say, the little shaft right there. So, like I said, this is the combination. We did the key entry combination, and now we're gonna install this. Or you could just do the regular lock on the top. And here, it says easy installation screwdriver. So I'm assuming that's all you need. So let's get into the installation. Okay, everybody. Right now we are going to do the open box. So y'all can see everything that comes inside. Now my kids might be a little bit loud, so I might turn the sound off on some parts. So sorry about that. New home gear, gotta love it. All right, we open, and here we go. We have a bronze. The keypad is a bronze, so y'all see that in a little bit. Okay, right here we have the knob for the inside portion. Problem. All right, the rest of the hardware that comes with it. All right, so stuff apart. Oh, and we have advertisements. It's always somebody's advertising. All right. So out with the old. This is an antique. Get out of there. Antique. Modern. What happens when you get a little paranoid? All right. It says it's easy to use the screwdriver, but I mean, they didn't say it's easy to use the screwdriver, but on there it says basic installation, easy installation, and they had a screwdriver next to it, but it's better to have your drill gun. So, and let's take, we gotta, of course, take the bottom part off. All right, there you go. And that's the antique show. All right, I don't know, maybe you could sell it on OfferUp. You might be able to get something. We are installing the entry door handle, the new one. Are you, why, what's up? Oh, okay. And it goes in like that. And like I said, this is adjustable, so it goes in the old hole, simple and easy. Well, actually it's not simple because the old hole is smaller. Okay, so the old hole is a smaller, so now I need to get a drill bit. Use the 5/16. We're not gonna do too much today. All right, I'm gonna use the 5/16. See from the other side. All right. And there we go. So yep, you'll need a 5/16 bit for the hole size for the adjustable shaft right here. All right. So let's get back to where we was. All right. We're gonna put this part on, which goes this way. All right. We're gonna put that part on. We're gonna put this on. All right. Put it in the hole where it needs to be. All right. And that's how that works. Okay, let's get the screws that we need. All right, stays just like. Put the 2 little screws in. All right. Hold on 1 second. Okay, screws on top, screws on bottom. All right, with that, you got a screw on top, screw on bottom. It's simple. This is easy. Beginner could do this. All right, into the bottom one, because this is the only thing I hate about doorknobs is the screw part. When you screw this in, it's so, like the knob is like right there on top of it. That's the only thing about this. But this is the way it has to get done. All right, it's tightening up. See what's going in. Yeah, it's just taking a while. See right there, I scratched it just a little. So make sure you put like a protector. Maybe you could use the bag like that. All right, and finish screwing in the bottom part. All right. Right, now we finished All right, so the top part done. Now we're gonna put in the screw for the bottom part, which is right here. The screw go right here on the flat part of the washer. The washer that got the grooves go into the door. We screw this on. Drill gun. Not too aggressive. Not too aggressive. You may want to turn your drill down a little bit when you're working on like hardware stuff. See, nobody coming in. This is it's a little wobbly. Well, I guess that's how it is. The other ones are the same way. But it's good though. All right, and then the final, well, not really final because you got the part that goes on the other side. All right, so this cap goes right on top. Pops right on in. That's it. And that's the install of your door, entry door handle. All right. So that's basically it. All right, so we got our key. I had this a while, so I may do a video on it, may not, but did a video on this one, so. And I got the color that matched, so we got bronze. And everything is matching up. All right. So that's what it looks like on the outside. So see the old one, it's a little bit further up, so I might have to look for some paint to paint that just to, you know, dress it up. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is swap this out for that, but y'all don't need to see that. I mean, this is simple. So I mean, other than that, that's it with that. To get the drill bit, I had to run to get the screwdriver. So, I mean, other than that, yeah, that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe.